Hi, I'm Candice Betty. Today I'm super excited to show you how to use facial serum and how simple it can be to add to your skincare ritual. If you want to know how to use your skincare products and how to get the most out of them, you're in the right place. We're getting started right now. This is the third video in the How to Use Your Skincare Products series. In the first two videos, we discussed how to use your face wash and toner. And if you missed these two videos, you can find a link to them below in the description. A serum is a lightweight formula that delivers an ingredient boost to your skincare routine. I used to skip using a serum because I thought my moisturizer had everything that I needed. Now I use the Ultimate Cocktail Facial Serum morning and night because it delivers so many anti-aging ingredients to my skin, like vitamin C, antioxidants, and immortelle oil. It's a real time saver in my skincare routine, and it's like combining multiple serums in one, so it saves me the cost of buying additional products. I really love it because it's got so many antioxidants and nutrients to support youthful skin at the cellular level. It absorbs quickly into my skin, and I only need to use a little bit. If it feels like I have a mask on after I put it on my skin, I've used too much. It should really feel weightless. Now in the summer, this serves as my lightweight moisturizer underneath my sunscreen, and in the evening, I follow it with a rich moisturizer. First, I cleanse and tone my skin to prep it to absorb the nutrients in my serum. I use about a pea-sized amount and a little bit more if I'm using it on my neck and décolleté. Now I rub my fingers together and I dot it onto my face and I smooth it into my skin in an upwards and outwards motion. That's all there is to using the Ultimate Cocktail Facial Serum. We saw how this powerful combination of antioxidants and nutrients helps me fight aging at the cellular level and protect my skin. If you'd like more information on all of the ingredients in this serum, visit the Organic Radiant Skincare website, which I'll include a link to in the description below. Next up in the series is how to use Herbissois Calming Moisturizer. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.